My name is Rachel. I'm a graphic designer at GoWISE USA. Today we are making my Nana's macaroni. I know everyone says it, but my Nana's the best cook in the world. Raising 5 children and countless grandchildren, she always had to have a meal ready for an army at a moment's notice. This was my sister's absolute favorite, and so every time we came, she always tried to have the ingredients for us to make this with her.
Alright, let's get started. First, we're going to need an oven-safe glass dish to bake our macaroni in. We'll also need 12 ounces of tomato sauce, 6 ounces of Colby cheese, although today we're using Colby Jack cheese, 3/4 of a stick of butter, and 3/4 of a pound macaroni elbows. Oh wait, these should be pre-cooked. There, that's much better. Anyway, grate your cheese. Now put your pasta and some of the cheese into the dish. Then add your tomato sauce, your butter, and 1 cup of milk. Salt and pepper to taste. My very Catholic Nana always says to put 1 cross of each, but whatever you like best. Add the rest of the cheese and mix it all thoroughly. Now we cover it in tinfoil and we are ready to start baking. Today we are using the GoWISE USA Air Fryer Oven Ultra. This is one of my favorite products because it's just such a great size. It can fit this dish perfectly, but it still doesn't take up too much space. We're going to use manual mode to bake this for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. Once the timer goes off, give it a good stir. Depending on your preferences, either replace the tin foil to keep it soft, or place it in the air fryer oven directly to get a nice and crispy top. Cook between 5 and 10 minutes more. And now, you're ready to eat and share.
I hope your family loves this recipe as much as mine has.